And it's very simple. Click on. You all have smartphones here. You snap your shoes, your names, your hair, your car, your bedroom. Spend a lot of time on your data. Can I please humbly ask you? On his page, he has posted something that shows his album is #1 in Africa. Can I please, kindly, Uganda, ask you, by seeing can everybody pull out their phone and just put that poster anywhere? What's my phone? Give me my phone. Just I'm begging on my knees. We are not going to blow these African Nigerians if we don't support. This boy can be a whiskey. And the only lucky thing is I told this boy 5 years back.
King Kong!
Think for Fameica, you know.
King
You
Kong!
were in London.
King Kong!
I told you my great talking. That's history. Give me my phone. I live by example. There's a poster where Spotify has put King Kong as #1 album in Africa. Spotify, tell you what, those Nigerians pay those motherfuckers to be #1. They put a lot of money in promotion. Now, one of casting our to the one. If we can post just one thing and say he's trending already, he's #1 already. Just go get him to Murido. Mbasava, esimu zamwe, data wamwe. Mbasava tishikora King Kong nikoze, yomu Nigeria atukukide ekizibu. Just post Stefano Wet King. I'm Pierre Ramani. Post Stefano Wet, trending #1 in Africa. Think Fameica's album is trending #1 in Africa. Just get this poster and put it anywhere and tag Think Fameica Chitumala. Chitumala banange simu bantu b'oliti. Bro, nine bitwele numa. Bro, ogenda musinapinga. Munyambe. Njagala kufa mfenga nafa bulungi. Just put this poster anywhere. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. His album is already #1. This dude, Balaboy's album is #4. On a coaster, but a winning your feet. Balaboy are charging $1 million right now. He's #4, and this boy in Africa is #1. Please, you lose nothing. You lose nothing. Think Fameica, have your shot. Much respect. Together with my soul. I'll tell you what I'm watching today. What? I'm gonna